the 7th edition of Who's Who in Black Detroit, celebrating African American achievement. Dr. George Ross.
Education is so important because it not only changes lives, it transforms lives. The leaders in our community, our country, and the world are going to be people who are educated, able to lead, able to see a future that without that education and that exposure and that broad learning, they wouldn't be able to see.
Elois Thomas. Elois Thomas is the Director of Administration for SEEL LLC. She guides her life by the motto, proper preparation prevents poor performance. She is a planner with a plan to succeed. Carla Walker Miller. The President and CEO of Walker Miller Energy. Carla Walker Miller is an energy industry veteran and an advocate for residential and commercial energy efficiency. Lisa Phillips.
To be the principal of Cass Tech is a blessing. The reason I gravitated towards education is because I am grateful for what education has done for me. We can make a difference in the lives of so many people in just 8 hours a day. A big difference. Students come to me and to various administrators, teachers, and I feel good knowing that at the end of the day, I've saved a life.
Dr. Monique Butler. Dr. Monique Butler is the Vice President of Medical Affairs at Sinai Grace Hospital. She loves the healing of medicine. She chose to be a doctor at the age of 11 when her mother was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis. Stephen D. Harris. Stephen Harris is the president of Molina Healthcare of Michigan. He has a strong affinity for healthcare and its inherent importance in today's society. Ernestine Sanders.
The thing that I say the most is that you should see all children as beautiful and beloved. And I always challenge everyone to see the child as theirs, so that when you come to Cornerstone, what you're really looking for are all those children that are cared for, that we see them as extraordinary. And if you can have that happening in the hallways, in the classroom, everywhere, well then you've been successful.
Randy Walker. Randy Walker is the Vice President and Chief Diversity Officer at Henry Ford Health System. Even with the busy schedule of his position, Walker enjoys the opportunity to give back to people through mentoring and coaching. Dr. Cynthia Tagg. Dr. Cynthia Tagg is the Vice President of Ambulatory and Community Healthcare Service for St. John Providence Health System. She is responsible for administrative oversight and leadership of all organized community health programs. You can read more about these individuals in the 7th edition of Who's Who in Black Detroit.